Welcome back, folks, to Firewater Farms in PeachLand, North Carolina. Today we're doing a black walnut for a customer. He's doing cabinets. The log had a few nails in it when we went to cutting it. That's what this tree was. It came out of a customer's yard. So when you're dealing with yard trees, you got nails. Can't help it. You know, when you're sacrificing a blade for a beautiful walnut tree, sometimes it's worth it. And he just wanted the widest boards he could get out of what he had. What he brung us was some short logs. We're not real happy to cut short logs. In the video, we had to put some boards on the side of it to make the clamps work out. So sometimes you just got to get creative and you adapt and you overcome on some of it, and that's what we do. Take a long board that'll grab our squaring arms and grab our clamps. That way we can get it clamped good on the mill and get it good and secure, get it firm, cut it without no problems, without nothing moving, because you don't want that log moving on your deck. If it moves on the deck, then you get an inaccurate cut. But the walnut turned out beautiful as far as what he's doing with it. He's gonna plane it down. He's gonna put it in board form and do the cabinets and, you know, do his thing from there as far as doing all the routing and the stuff that you have to do on the cabinet. Y'all sit back and enjoy, and have any questions, comments, hit us up on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We appreciate you watching, and hopefully we'll have some more videos coming up soon for you.